In the United States Armed Forces, a Major General is a two-star general officer in the United States Army, Marine Corps, Air Force, and Space Force. A Major General ranks above a Brigadier General and below a Lieutenant General. The pay grade of Major General is 08. It is equivalent to the rank of Rear Admiral in the other United States uniformed services which use naval ranks. It is abbreviated as MG in the Army, Major Gen in the Marine Corps, and Major Gen in the Air Force and Space Force. Major General is the highest permanent peacetime rank in the uniformed services, as higher ranks are technically temporary and linked to specific positions. Although virtually all officers promoted to those ranks are approved to retire at their highest earned rank. A Major General typically commands division-sized units of 10,000 to 15,000 soldiers. U.S. Army rank insignia of a Major General. U.S. Marine Corps rank insignia of a Major General. U.S. Air Force and U.S. Space Force rank insignia of a Major General. The United States Code explicitly limits the total number of general officers that may be on active duty at any given time. The total number of active duty general officers is capped at 231 for the Army, 62 for the Marine Corps, and 198 for the Air Force. Some of these slots are reserved or finitely set by statute. For example, the Deputy Judge Advocate General of the Army is a Major General in the Army. The same rank is held by the Deputy Judge Advocate General of the Air Force. The Army's Chief of Engineers is also appointed as a Major General and thereafter promoted to Lieutenant General. The United States Code also limits the total number of general officers that may be on the reserve active status list in the reserve component, which is defined in the case of general officers as the Army National Guard, Army Reserve, Marine Corps Reserve, Air National Guard, and Air Force Reserve. To be promoted to the permanent grade of Major General, officers who are eligible for promotion to this rank are screened by an in-service promotion board, composed of other general officers from their branch of service. This promotion board then generates a list of officers it recommends for promotion to general rank. This list is then sent to the Service Secretary and the Joint Chiefs of Staff for review before it can be sent to the President through the Secretary of Defense for consideration. The President nominates officers to be promoted from this list with the advice of the Secretary of Defense, the Service Secretary, and if applicable, the Service's Chief of Staff or Commandant. The President may nominate any eligible officer who is not on the recommended list if it serves in the interest of the nation. But this is uncommon. The Senate must then confirm the nominee by a majority vote before the officer can be promoted. Once confirmed, the nominee is promoted to that rank on assuming a position of office that requires an officer to hold the rank. For positions of office that are reserved by statute, the President nominates an officer for appointment to fill that position. For all three of the applicable uniformed services, because the grade of Major General is a permanent rank, the nominee may still be screened by an in-service promotion board to add their input on the nominee before the nomination can be sent to the Senate for approval. Since the grade of Major General is permanent, the rank does not expire when the officer vacates a two-star position. Tour length varies depending on the position, by statute, and/or when the officer receives a new assignment or a promotion. But the average tour length per two-star billet is 2 to 4 years. In the Army, Major Generals for their state, Commonwealth or territory. In certain situations, states can promote their Adjutant General to General Officer ranks without Senate confirmation. The officer will wear the general rank, yet only be recognized at their lower federally recognized rank. They're identified with the two-letter state identifier of their respective National Guard being listed after their rank. Some examples of this are Major General Jim Butterworth and Major General Esther Agigi. In the Marine Corps, Major Generals typically serve as Commanding Generals or Deputy Commanding Generals of Marine Expeditionary Forces, Marine Divisions, Marine Aircraft Wings, Joint Task Force Commanders, or Senior Directors on Marine Corps and Joint Staffs. In the Air Force, Major Generals typically serve as numbered Air Force Commanders. Vice Commanders of 3-star commands. Joint Task Force Commanders. Warfare Center, Training Center, Weapons Center, or Logistics Center Commanders, or Senior Directors on Air Force and Joint Staffs. In the case of the Air National Guard, they may also serve as the Adjutant General for their state, Commonwealth or territory. Other than voluntary retirement, statute sets a number of mandates for retirement of general officers. All major generals must retire.